What Apple launched today will surprise you. To truly understand why this machine is causing absolute panic across the entire tech industry, we have to look past the sleek aluminum design. We have to look past the beautiful display. We need to look directly into the silicon heart of this beast. For the past decade, the battle between desktop PCs and laptops was a compromise. If you wanted absolute rendering power, if you wanted to simulate entire worlds, train massive artificial intelligence models, or edit multiple streams of uncompressed 8K raw footage, you were chained to a desk. You needed a massive power supply, loud cooling fans, and a desktop tower that drew as much electricity as a small appliance. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The M6 Max has officially shattered that chain. Apple didn't just build a faster chip, they re-architected the entire concept of mobile computing. Think about the sheer scale of what is happening inside this silicon. Built on a revolutionary, ultra-refined nanometer process, the M6 Max packs an astronomical number of transistors into a space smaller than a playing card. But numbers on a spec sheet don't matter. What matters is what those numbers do when you press the power button. The architecture introduces an entirely new tier of performance cores that don't just run faster, they communicate with each other at speeds never before seen in a consumer device. The efficiency cores have been completely redesigned to handle heavy background tasks without even waking up the heavy-hitting performance clusters. This means while your machine is rendering a complex 3D scene in the background, you can compile millions of lines of code or edit high-resolution audio without experiencing a single millisecond of lag. But the real secret weapon of the M6 Max isn't just the raw CPU speed. It is the breathtaking evolution of the unified memory architecture. In a traditional PC, your processor, your graphics card, and your system memory are separated by physical distance and slow communication channels. Data has to be constantly copied back and forth, creating a massive bottleneck that slows down even the most expensive hardware. Apple eliminated this bottleneck entirely. With the M6 Max, the massive pool of unified memory is sitting right on the chip package, directly accessible by the CPU, the GPU, and the neural engine simultaneously. This means the graphics processor has access to an unprecedented amount of ultra-fast VRAM. Tasks that used to instantly crash high-end desktop graphics cards because they ran out of video memory are handled by this laptop effortlessly. You can load entire, massive machine learning datasets or feature-length film timelines directly into memory, and the system treats it like it is nothing. Let's talk about real-world dominance. If you are a creative professional, a software engineer, a data scientist, or someone who simply demands the absolute best tool in existence, time is your most valuable asset. Every minute spent waiting for a progress bar to finish is a minute of your life wasted. The M6 Max is designed to give you that time back. Imagine opening a project that used to make your previous laptop sound like a jet engine taking off. You click render, and instead of waiting 20 minutes, the bar finishes in seconds. The silence is almost unsettling. Because of the insane thermal efficiency of this chip, the MacBook Pro rarely even spins up its fans. It accomplishes tasks that would melt a traditional laptop while remaining completely cool and completely silent. And it does all of this while running on battery power. This is the biggest illusion Apple has pulled off. If you unplug a high-end Windows laptop from the wall, the performance instantly drops by 50% or more.